First we do this. 8 minus 5 gives us 3, and 8 minus 5 gives us 3, and there is multiplication here. 3 multiplied by 3 gives us 9, but this is not correct answer, because according to the order of operations, first we have to work inside the parentheses. After that, if there is exponent, we have to work exponents. After that, multiplication and division. Finally, addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities. That's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And the same rule applies for addition and subtraction. According to this rule, first we have to work inside the parentheses. 8 minus 5 gives us 3, and there is multiplication here. 5 multiplied by 3, and we have to copy the rest part. And according to this rule, first we have to work 5 multiplied by 3 gives us 15, and 8 minus 15 gives us negative 7, and this is our correct and final answer. We can write it here, negative 7. Thank you.